Looking for cost-effective ways to purchase workshop tools? The quest for quality tools is a common thread that runs through every workshop, but quality often comes with a price tag. What if you could have both, quality and affordability? That's where cost-saving platforms come into play. These platforms provide a gateway to high-grade tools that won't break the bank. In this video, we'll be journeying through 15 such treasure troves of cost-effective tools. Today, we will introduce you to 15 websites that can help you save money on your workshop tools. Starting off our list, we have Harbor Freight, a budget-friendly site boasting a wide range of tools and equipment. Standout feature? Their frequent sales and coupon codes. Second, we have Northern Tool, offering both new and reconditioned tools, allowing you to save a few bucks. Up next is Tool Barn. They have a fantastic deal of the day section that's worth checking out. Fourth in line, Zorro. They offer business accounts with added discounts, ideal for those running a workshop. Lastly, we have Direct Tools Factory Outlet, where you can snag factory blemished and reconditioned items at a fraction of the cost. These are just the first 5 websites that can help you save on workshop tools. Continuing on to our next set of cost-saving websites. Let's dive into the 6th site on our list, Tool Bargains. This site offers a wide range of tools at discounted prices with a remarkable Deal of the Day feature. 7th, we have Overstock Toolbox, a treasure trove for surplus tools at a fraction of their original price. Next up is Thrifty Workshop, a platform offering both new and used tools, giving you the flexibility to choose based on your budget. Number 9, Bulk Buy Tools is perfect for those looking for wholesale deals. Lastly, we have EcoTools Trade, a unique platform that encourages tool swapping, reducing both cost and environmental footprint. Remember, a savvy workshop owner knows where to find the best deals. We're not done yet. There's more to come. Rounding off our list, we have toolbarn.com, a haven for discounted high-quality tools. Next, we move on to wholesaletool.com, a one-stop shop for all your workshop needs at wholesale prices. Our 13th website is zorro.com, which offers a wide range of tools and boasts frequent sales and discounts. Second to last, we have mscdirect.com, a website known for its vast selection of workshop tools and consistent markdowns. Lastly, but certainly not least, we have tooldiscounter.com. They live up to their name by offering some of the best discounts on the market for workshop tools. Each of these websites has unique features and deals that can help you save significantly on your workshop tools. And there you have it, 15 websites to help you save on workshop tools. To recap, we've explored 15 fantastic websites offering a plethora of cost-saving options for workshop tools. Remember, investing in your workshop doesn't have to break the bank. With these websites, you can find cost-effective tools that meet your needs. Thank you for watching and happy tool hunting.